Hi, in today's video we want to talk about selection, how to select some cells in order to apply a background, I don't know, maybe some borders and so on. One way, a simple way, is to select like this with the mouse. Okay, I want a background, I click on the cell, it's selected. Okay, very easy. Another way is to click, if I want, for example, this selection. How I do that? I am in the first cell I want to select and press the mouse button and I move from where I want to finish the selection. For example, if I want until here, AEI 10, okay, or D10, okay, this is a selection I want until column D and until number 10, row 10. This is how I do that. I select here and press down the mouse button until I go here. Okay, another way, it's without dragging the mouse. I click inside this cell A1. I move, I press Shift K and I move with arrow key down or right and down. Okay, I can play with arrows, but how I started, I click inside one cell, press Shift and move with arrows left, right, down until I get my selection. So I have the same D10. Another way is the same. Select A1, go here in extending, here in the bottom, extending selection, and click on D10. Okay, this is the ending point of my selection. I click only for that thing. After that, I go again here and move to standard selection. Now I can apply anything I want. Without using mouse, as I said, is with Shift. Okay, so I have the selection, pressing Shift, no mouse, my mouse is not moving, and I finish the selection. After that, I can apply what I want with the mouse. Another way is from here. So I want from A1, I press the colon, and after that I press the column name D and the last row 10, enter. Okay, very easy. So here I write what I want. If I want until 12, here, if I want until H, not D, H, and so on. Also, I can use, if I want multiple times to select, for example, this area I want to select many times a day, I can rename it here, like, for example, my table. And now, if I want to do something in that area, I go here, my table, and I select it very easy, that area. And for example, I can do borders. Again, I can select very easy my table, and I can change the background, and so on. Okay, so that was all about selection. It's very easy. You just need to play with it in order to learn. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.